let's give it a shot. How bad could you be?
You'll find out, won't you?
She's so fierce and full of that fire. What's the boy to do?
What the hell was that?
Kiss me.
Where?
On the mouth.
When?
Now.
For how long?
Oh, come on.
She's a hurricane.
Why'd you have to be so loud?
Why'd you have to be so good?
In the harbor, just beyond the break. I should run and hide with
Are you in love with someone else?
but I can't look away. She's a hurricane.
If I ever need to feel the depth of your love, I just go like this. Woo!
You really do know me.
You know me so well.
That I do, Burke.
Meet her. I wanna see her dancing in the street. I wanna
You make a pretty good team.
Yeah, Burke and Longo, one hell of a team.
hold her body close to me. Yeah.
Will you marry me?
She's a hurricane.
I take you to be my partner and my best friend, and I promise to love you unconditionally, no matter what adventures life brings our way.
You know, Joe, if I had to be caught in a botched break-in to recover a sex tape with anyone, I'm glad it's with you.